driving school with virtual classes online, right? If people have been asking for that, do we do virtual classes? All right, so that yes, we do. The 5-hour class, the 5-hour pre-licensing class, the 5-hour pre-licensing class, and the 6-hour defensive course are virtual. They're not in person. They all get done online, right? So if you're looking for those things, definitely we can help you at Pierre Driving School. We are fully virtual when it comes to the 5-hour class. When it comes to the 5-hour class and the 6 hours defensive program, they all get done online. They're fully online. They're not in person, all right? So we have a lot of people been asking that, do we have virtual classes in the New York area? Yes, we do. And if we met for the first time, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. In this channel, we are all in about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have a question in particular you want us to answer, just put in the comment below, as most of our video topic coming from the question that you guys asking. On this channel here, we posted 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. And every morning on our first hour, we answer questions that you guys have. As this one, do we offer virtual classes in New York City? Yes, we do. All the 5-hour pre-licensing course, the aka MV270, MV278, aka 5-hour online courses, we cover all that. And the defensive driving training, we cover that online as well. All right, so we're gonna continue with our left and right as we do here. As always, we do observations and we do left and right, and we answer questions that you guys have based on the performance of the lesson. All right, as I always said, as I'm driving, I'm trying to see as much as I can see. As you driving, as you're looking, you got a better view. That's something that I may have missed. If I do, put in the comment below so I can go ahead and adjust it on the next lesson to come. All right, so we continue with our everyday left and right, and we're going straight from here. Stop sign coming up. If always stop sign, we're gonna come to a full stop where I can be visible, and first come first serve all the way up where I'm visible. Okay, we here first, we continue to go. All the way stop sign, you come and make a single stop, and you verify all corners, and first come first go. Speed bump, we slow down so we can go at the right speed over the bump. Okay, it's not about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute that you can do that, it changes everything. And then no rush, you can drive already if you can go for a road test, however, but it's the specific detail they're looking for. Those are the things that they want you to deliver. All right, when you stop, you like to see the tire in front of you on the ground without leaving any room for anybody to think they can come and cut you off as you as you're driving. Okay, always stop sign again, one at a time. Completely stop here. Oh, here first, we're here first, but there's humans that are crossing over the street. We have to let them clear. Okay, have to let the human clear. Okay, mirror left, shoulder left, and we continue to go. Pedestrian, humans always have the right of way. Okay, remember that for the purpose of road test. Traffic is clear, we're moving along. For the purpose of the road test, we're gonna pull over to the right. We do mirror right, shoulder right, and we pull over with your foot covering the brake, going in slow. As the car cannot see the curve, then you line up nice and smooth on the opposite side. All right, we have a video about that, how to pull over to your right, how to pull over to how to pull into your right, how to pull over to the left, how to pull into the left. Reason why, because this is a part of the road test. The examiner gonna examine you. Look out for when you finish your test. They tell you to pull into your right, and you cannot pull in. We're gonna pull out. They tell you to pull into your right, and you cannot pull in. Is a problem. They tell you to pull over to the left. You cannot pull over to the left. Is a problem. Now, students been asking for that again. We have a video dedicated specifically for that topic. You can check it out on the You can check that out on the channel. But somebody asking us to demonstrate that a little bit more. Pulling out, mirror left, shoulder left, then we pull out. All right? Yes, we pull out. At the corner, right turn is gonna be before the light. At the corner, right turn. Corner come before lights. Lights is light. Some students, they tell at the corner right turn, they shoot for the light. That's a problem. The corner is here. Mirror right, shoulder right, I make the turn at the corner. If the examiner wants you to go to the light, what will be the instruction? At the traffic light, right turn. Two different approach, okay? Corner come before lights. Light is light, all right? We're going straight over here. Very, 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 very important for you guys to pay attention to. At this corner here, right turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn. Always stop sign, first come, first serve, okay? Good. Right turn at the corner. Different approach. Always stop sign, a single stop where everybody can see everybody. Everybody can see everybody, okay? I can turn here. At the corner, right turn is a full stop. We're gonna make two mandatory stops. First stop here for humans. Nobody crossing. Second stop for traffic, all the way up here, okay? Now I have a blind spot on my left. I'm gonna stop inching out until I clear the blind spot, and then I'll rush. Another car coming. Once you can see the car coming, for the purpose of the road test, you do not go. In real life, you can take your luck. For the road test, when the examiner is with you, you're making a full stop sign. You have to make sure the traffic is completely clear on your block. In real life, I could have been able to go. And I also see a human on my right side. See, they're gonna come here on the moped. I see a human also on my right side. Then I did not go. Traffic is clear here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and I go. You see? And as I was going, that person on the moped was there. You have to pay good attention to those things. As the examiner, they're looking onto those things. They're looking onto those things. You do not want to be falling onto that by not observing enough to make those stops, all right? At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Now, it's a light turn, it's not a corner turn. I cannot turn over here. That would have been wrong. I have to wait to go to the light, all right, folks? These are the things that we wanted to make sure that you guys understand. Because we've seen it numerous occasions, student gets just confused, and that can lead to disqualification of the road test because the examiner says you're making a right turn at the corner, you shoot for the light. It's two different instructions. You're making a right turn at the light, you make that turn at the corner, it's two different instructions. As the route are pre-selected, they're not random. What do I mean by that? The examiner already know which route to take during the road test course. It's not like they're selecting those routes randomly. If you take them off route, they're not gonna be nice enough to go take you all the way around and bring you back and get back to route. They're gonna just continue and bring you back to the next way. They bring you back to the where the test began, and from there the test will be all over. All this can be avoiding by doing what you're supposed to do and follow instruction and deliver respectively. We're gonna keep straight here. Okay, the light turned green, have not yet turned green for us. All right, keeping it going from here. Nice and smooth, then no rush. Okay, so nice, I'm going here. We're making a right turn at the corner coming up. Signal the turn. All right. Matter of fact, let me pull over here for a quick second. I'll pull over here, let this guy go. I want to explain to you guys something. Left turn here, okay? We're going left. Right turn at the corner is a one-way street. But cars park on any type of way on the street for you to understand how to deliver here. Making a right turn here is a full stop. Here's my first stop here. Okay, roll up with my second stop. And as it's clear, I'm gonna continue my turn here. Okay, we're making a right turn as this traffic light here. Okay, all right. Folks, this is at the level the examiner wants you to deliver. Otherwise, doing your road test is going to be tough. If you're new here, consider to subscribe. This has been with Pierre Driving School. We are all in about driving in this channel. Until then, folks, keep practicing. You see what the human are doing here? Listen, running a red light, okay? Straight red light. Until then, folks, Keep practicing. This has been Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.